सब्सक्राइब करें अमरेश टीचिंग एकेडमी को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हमारी वीडियो को सबसे पहले देख सके।
Hello students, today we will discuss about modals. What is modal? Students, modals refers to mood. Now see the definition of the modals. Modals are a small group of verbs that are used to express possibility, probability, capability, capacity, ability, obligation and predictions. Now see some examples of modals. Can, could, will, would, may, might, must, shall, should, ought to, need, had better, dare, etc. Now see the uses of modals. Can. Can is used to show ability, possibility, seeking permission, request, offer. Now see the example. She can read and write. Here it expresses ability. Can refers to ability. Now see other example. It can rain today. Here can is used to show possibility. Can I borrow your pen? Here can shows seeking permission. Can you lend me your notes? Here can shows request. Can I carry your books? Here can refers to offer. So these are the different uses of can. Now see the uses of could. Could is used to express seeking permission, request, suggestion, possibility and past ability. Now see the example. Could I borrow your books? Here could refers to seeking permission. Could you please help me with this sum? Here it shows request. We could go for a picnic on Sunday. Here could refers to suggestion. I think you could come first this time. Here could refers to possibility. There was a time when I could work round the clock. Here could refers to past ability. Now see the uses of may. May is used to show request, offer, permission, possibility, wish or desire. Now see the example. May I have some water? Here may shows request. May I help you? Here may is used to show offer. May I shut the door? Here may shows permission. India may become a superpower by 2020. Here may indicates possibility. Now see other example. May God bless you. Here may is used to show wish or desire. Now see the other modal. Might. Might refers to future possibility or probability. See the example. They might sell their house as they need the money. Here in first line, might shows future and second line they need the money. Need refers to probability. Now see the other modal. Will. Will is used to show intention, offer, request, prediction, promise. See the example. It is very cold, so I will stay at home. Here will shows intention. I will help you if you wish. Here will refers to offer. Will you look after my dog for a day? Here will shows request. It will rain tonight. Here will shows prediction. I will get you a shawl from Srinagar. Here will shows. Now see the use of would. Would is used to show permission, making arrangements, request, invitation, preference. Now see the example. Would you mind if I come over tonight? Here would is used to show permission. Would 5 o'clock suit you? Here would refers to making arrangements. Would you pass the salt? Here would refers to request. Would you come to my party? Here would shows invitation. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Here would shows preference. Now see other model, shall. Shall is used to show offer, making arrangements. Shall I help you? Here shall is used to show offer. Shall we meet at 3 p.m. outside? Here shall shows making arrangements. Now see the use of modal should. Should refers to recommended action and advice. We should check the timings of the train. Here should shows recommended action. You should listen to the advice of your elders. Here should refers to advice. Now see other models. Ought to. Ought to is used to show advice, probability. See the example. You ought to do your duty. Here ought to shows advice. The bus ought to be here any minute. Here ought to shows probability. Now see the use of must. We must make a move now. Here must is used to show obligation. You must not tell lies. Here must shows necessity. Now see the use of need. Need refers to necessity, compulsion, insistence. See the example. He need not to go to the market. Here need shows necessity. You need to lose weight. Here need shows compulsion. And I need to get the groceries. Here need shows insistence. Now see the use of dare. Dare is used to show challenge, courage, and in some interrogative sentences. See the example. How dare she behave in this manner? Here dare shows challenge. I dare not ask him to teach me. Here dare shows courage. Dare he say such a thing to me? Here it shows interrogative, question mark. Here this sentence shows question. Now see the modal used to. Used to is used to express a discontinued habit, repeated action, and accustomed. See the example. She used to live in this house some years ago. Here it expresses discontinued habit. She used to dance before her marriage. Here it refers to repeated action. I am not used to hard manual labor. Here used to refers accustomed to. Now see some important fact about could, might, may, shall, will, ought to, and should. Could and might are used to seek permission, but may is used to grant permission. Now see the example. Could I use your pen? Here could shows permission. Yes, you may. Here may is used to show grant permission. Now see the differences between should and ought to. As we know, should and ought to have similar meaning. They show obligation or duty. But there is a slight difference in their meaning. We can clear its meaning by this example. We want to save water, but we are unable to. In this sentence, should will not be appropriate. Now see the other example. We should obey our parents. Here, should is appropriate. Now see the differences between shall and will. Students, whenever we desire to express some command, promise, threat, or determination, shall is used in the second and third person, and will is used in the first person. Now see the example. You shall receive your prize tomorrow. Here shall refers to promise. He shall not enter the lab again. Here shall shows determination. I will reward her for her diligence. Here will refers to promise. I will report to the principal if you don't submit your homework. Here will shows threat. I will never use abusive language. Here will refers to determination.
हमारी वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें और अधिक से अधिक शेयर करें, और अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्द से जल्द जाके सब्सक्राइब करें।